Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. You see this plant here in this bucket? It is called Goji berry. I have a story behind this plant. I got this plant I think like 3 years ago. It was on sale on clearance for 75% off, and I got it for one something at a garden center in Canada at Canadian Tire. When I first got it, it was a baby plant and it looks like it was going to die, but I take a chance. I got it and I dig it up and I put it in the garden bed that I had in Ontario. Right now I am living in Prince Edward Island, and there's something that I did that you shouldn't, they advise you not to do, about once you plant a plant in the ground, not to dig it up again. So I said, you know what, it didn't cost me that much to buy it, and I invest a lot of time in growing it, taking care of it in the ground, and I want to see if I dig it up what's going to happen, if it's going to survive or it's going to die. So we moved in the winter time, and it was, we know that we were going to move. So the end of November I dig it up from the ground and I remove some of the roots with a clipper, and I put it in this bucket. But before I did all of that, I prune it back and I cut it all the way down to, you see the whole, this the branch here. I cut it back all the way down to the brown branch, and I didn't know if driving it in the truck for 2 days it take to come here from Ontario to Prince Edward Island, if it would survive. But it survived the winter, and I'm gonna see if it's gonna survive another winter in the bucket. The reason why they advise you not to dig up any berry bushes that you plant in the ground is because sometimes they won't make it. If you do that, they recommend you going and buy another plant. But I didn't want to do that at that moment. So it survived, and these are all new shoots. Some people, they eat the leaves, they put it in soup, and the fruits also have a lot of health benefits also. And I already had this bucket already on my balcony at my old apartment, so all it cost me was just the soil to do that. So it survived, and I'm happy, and I hope it will survive another winter in the container. Okay everyone, I hope you like that story. See you all next day. Have a good day. Bye.